How to install Intel HD graphic driver. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Intel HD graphics driver. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, simply search for install Intel HD graphic driver and head over to this Intel's website. After you head over to its website, you will see from there you can actually download drivers and softwares. So there you can directly search for drivers if you know which one you want. Or what you can do is scroll down and under products, select graphics since we want drivers for graphics. So select that. After you select that, you'll be on this page. There are a lot of different options available. So to narrow it down, what you can do is you can go through the filters. There you can see download type and sort. I'll select drivers. And from then I'll select my OS. That is, I'll just select Windows 10 for here. So after you select your device types, you can simply search for the driver that you want. Here you will need to know what processor or what type of CPU and everything your device has and which driver matches your graphic card. So just select the driver that you want. For example, this one. There you can see different versions available as well. Select the latest one, and there you can see different drivers available. This one's available for Windows 8, 7, and 10 and its size is there, and this one's available for only 7. So select whichever one is the best for you. So I'll just tap on download on this and it should start downloading. After the exe file downloads, all you have to do is open it up and run it. And that's basically how you can install HD graphics driver on your device. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.